Hi everyone, so I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you these two journals, and I have used my own kit for this, which is called Christmas Memories, and I will have that linked below. So with the kit you get a full-size journal kit and you get bonus pages, which are the Traveller's Notebook size, and of course that is my favourite size. I know it's not everybody's favourite size when it comes to like digitals or even just making journals in general, so that's why I done like the TN sizes, because that's my favorite. Anyway, so like I said, I will link the kit below, plus I've got a lot of freebies that kind of coordinate with it as well, and it's all on my coffee shop. So I used the TN size and I made a Traveller's Notebook size journal, and then I made a a Flipflop journal as well. So these will both be for sale in my shop. Again, I will link them below. Just finding threads here. I will link them below because obviously they will be listed individually. So let's start with the Traveller's Notebook size one. This, I did write this down. Where is it? Right, did I? Yes, 8 1/4 by 4 1/4. One signature, 56 pages front and back, and we just have this lovely fabric which has got a lovely worn effect to it as a closure, and it's got like red and pink in there, and green and cream, white I should say, sorry. So that is the journal. So this is, I think this is about the only thing that isn't actually available anywhere, because I just made that up to make the toppers for the journals, and it says Christmas Memories down here. As you can see, there's a lot of stitching. I used envelopes for the cover, and like everything else, anything that's not from my kit I will mention. Okay, so again, this is from the kit. So is this here. This isn't from the kit, but it is one of my freebies, which if you look for my freebies on my coffee shop, you'll see this, not that part, but this part here. I think these are freebies. Don't know if I've put these up yet or not, but I made some envelopes as freebies. So that's the envelopes. I did shrink them down a little bit for this size, but they are a little bit bigger. Obviously, if you wanted to use them with the full, oops, put that in. If you wanted to use them with the full size journal kit. So there we go. And don't think I'm going to make any more Christmas journals, because I've actually printed out stuff to make like a kind of shabby floral journal, because you know what we all know, the 7th of December, and as you know, I sell my journals, so you know people would kind of want them real soon. But if anyone wants one that hasn't sold, I think I've got one and these two, so there's 3 at the moment, and if these are bought tonight, these will be shipped out tomorrow. If not, it will be Monday. Sorry, that is a freebie as well, not the backing but just the image on here. The pocket is from the kit. Is there anything else? No, see, that's an oval thing. Don't know if that's a freebie or not, or it's from the kit, one of the two. This is actually from ARTYmaze, and this here is from the kit, and that is possibly a freebie. I don't know, I can't remember now. But if you go check it out, you will see lace trim. This is from the TN kit. We've got a tag here. The pocket's from the kit. That is from the kit as well. This is from one of my other freebie kits. Lined paper. Music paper there. That is not from my kit. This and that's from the kit. That is a freebie. This is from TaylorMadeJournals. Here we've got another freebie there. I think the bunnies are a freebie. So I think I've got about 5 freebies that kind of go with this kit. That's ARTYmaze. That is from the kit. And obviously there's enough room, centre of the signature, enough room for you to add all your own stuff to. after all, these, I mean, this time of year, everyone should have plenty to add to their journals if they are using a Christmas journal, that is. Oops, little flip out there. Another tag, love them birds. The candles, I think they are a freebie from the kit. That's one of the envelopes. Coffee dyed paper. Yeah, so that's one of the freebie envelopes. Oops. Middle flip there. Tag. Another tag there. That little noise coming from outside. Paper. Another freebie envelope there. And little flip out there with a tag. That is a freebie, this image there. And that, so that is the TN. And I will show you, I think the measurements are the same for this, 8 1/4 by 4 1/4. I think there might be, I'm not sure on the pages because there's 2 signatures, can't remember. It'll be about 50-ish pages. So again, same kind of material there. Made this for the topper, and this. We have Santa Claus with the children, or Father Christmas, depending on how you want to say. So a lot of it is just like the same, but obviously in this one. So just do it. That's an envelope with paper inside there. It's the same envelope as I've just shown. So we have got that's from the kit. Writing space, oval tag, and that's the freebie from another kit, like not another kit, but I think there's 4 pages to that one. Just search through and you'll see the freebies. Little flip there, so there is plenty of places to journal, add things. You know, everybody journals differently, don't they? A little flip out there. Journal card there. That's from one of my other Christmas freebies. Flip here. That's another freebie. Journal card there, envelope with just some coffee dyed paper inside. Postcard, love them old houses. Well, they look more like kind of converted barns, to be honest. Tag. We have got a bunny there, journal card there, journal space. Bunny's supposed to be there. Flip out, journal card. So all the links will be below. These will be at a discount price for today only. And if you want to grab yourself the bargain. Yeah, and I'm looking forward to doing something else. I think I have pretty much spent the last month making Christmas journals. That just needs trimming. So where's the other one? There it is. Oh, I have actually got another little mini kit coming out, Christmas themed. If I use it, it will be for myself. I have got a Christmas journal for this year. It's not actually a journal, it's like a folio thing, which I did have a video on. I will be making Christmas stuff, but it just won't be journals to sell. So there we go. All the links will be below. Check them out. If you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.